Hapa ni bike make county 047. This is an RTR 180cc engine. We are going to dismantle it. The reason as to why is because the bike got it is seized. The engine seized, and now you are going to dismantle it together and see, and we identify where the problem arose from, and we begin. We are going to start with the magneto to make our work easier. We are dismantling the whole engine. Here we always emphasize on using professional tools so as we don't tamper with the bolts. So we are going to remove the rotor. We are going to use this magneto. This sapure, we are going to use it to pull the rotor out. Lazy bike, huh? The rotor. You're going to destroy. Now we go to the clutch part of it. We need a bit of oil. You can see the piston is out. Same with the block it. Together with the crankshaft. So we are going to replace the crankshaft, but let us go inside. We see affected parts. Now, here is our dismantled engine system. Kazi safi, tumebomoa engine ya RTR 180cc. Ndio hii sasa hapa na sisi. You see, when you have the right tools, the right space, with the right skills, kazi inakuwa rahisi and very much enjoyable. This is the gearbox, the crankshaft, the crankcase, magneto, clutch cover. So we have done with the dismantling. Now we are going to identify where the problem, where the defects, where the problem arose from. To show one of the crucial parts of the engine, the location of the oil filter, whereby most of the time we don't check on it. So we are going to remove the oil sieve. It is just located below this oil strainer. So it is good always check this one and remove all the particles. You can see there are so many particles even from below this one. So we are going to clean the sieve and also this part to make sure it is very clean. This is the oil sieve. We want us to remove these valves from the cylinder. We're going to use this clamp to remove the valves. When you are working on the engine, it is also very good to inspect the condition of the other parts. Like now the gearbox. This gearbox is in good condition. None of the gears is broken. So this one, they are perfect. They are good. Yeah, we also check the bearings, the condition of the bearings, and maybe any other foreign. The bearings is all bearing okay. So this is the crankshaft. This is the crankshaft, RTR 180cc. As you can see, the piston is not moving. So the bike was running with or without the oil, very little amount of oil in the engine. And due to the lack of lubrication, the piston seized. So there was no more motion. So this bike has got, we are going to replace the crankshaft because it is not easy to remove the piston from this con load. So we are going to replace the crankshaft, which is already just gotten it has gotten faulty due to lack of oil or lubrication. Still the block too, if you can check from inside. So we are going also to replace the block, and still we are going to check on the valve seal and the valve intake and exhaust. We are going to grade them and make sure the seating is very okay. But you have also to replace the valve seal, so to prevent the bike and keep away smoking and the consumption of the oil. This is bike make counted 047. Here we are to give our motorbiking community solution, service, repair, maintenance, even engine services. We are here for you, dear bikers. Welcome. Bike make counted 047.